Raise your hand if you want to become a middle-aged know-it-all who hasn't amounted to anything and lives in your mother's basement. So look, let's get real. There's a shit ton of theory, very little practice happening. I can't tell you how many times I'll go out there and try something. Sure, maybe I'll fall on my face a couple of times, but the thing is, I'm constantly trying something new. Some signs that you should probably stop reading and start implementing today. Number one, you feel stuck all the time, no matter how many things you read, articles, blogs, videos, courses. You went to college, you quit college, you went back to college, you went to night school. You can't seem to find the answer on how to get ahead. The thing is, odds are you probably overlooked it. Number two, you are able to give amazing advice to people around you. You're going through a lot of shit yourself. You can't seem to get yourself out of the hole and you're not understanding why. Spoiler alert, it's not chakras, it's not the universe, it's not your neighbor, it's not your ex. Number three, you're not actually taking notes as you're reading. The thing that's helped me a shit ton is whenever I'm reading, I'll go through about a paragraph, a few pages, a chapter or two, and I'll be taking notes the entire time. Yes, I might actually skip from book to book to book, but the thing is that within a week, I'm implementing a lot of what I've read. So while my peers are looking at it, I'm like, wow, he's so fucking lucky. Actually, what's happening is that I'm just failing constantly. I might fail 10 times and you'll only see me succeed once. So something that I'm a huge advocate for is crawl, walk, run. So I'll ask you again, who wants to become a middle-aged know-it-all that amounted to nothing living in your mom's basement / garage / man cave? Stay blessed, muchachos.